Hello student, today we are going to discuss another important concern of cyber law and ethics, that is role of security in internet and web services. So first of all we will discuss role of security in internet, and also we discuss what is the web services and what are the advantages of an web services over the internet. Okay, so let's take the overview of role of security in internet. So what is internet? Internet is nothing but the network of network. With the help of that, the all the uh, connection which are connected to each other, and you can share your information, send the details, send the media, send the video files to the another person all over the globe. Okay, so it is most widely used medium for performing various tasks such as exchanging the data and information, as well as conducting online shopping and bank transaction. Apart from the common people, most of the government organization and big business houses which are entirely depend on this medium for transmitting and receiving the critical information and conducting their day-to-day business. So all this information and data which is need to be secured against the unauthorized access. Yes, exactly. If our database, or what we can say, that all your information which is to be stored on the database server, and unfortunately that database server is accessed by unauthorized user. So what what should be the result? Whole organization is lost, because all the confidential data which is to be in the hand of the opponent. Okay, so this all this information and data which is to be need to secure against the unauthorized access from the illegal and malicious sources. So security is implemented in website mainly through two process: authentication and authorization. So, what is authentication? It refers to the process of recognizing the identity of a user. This is nothing but your authentication. And authorization means what? It is the process of providing access to the various resources such as database, printer, and authenticated user. So these are the things which are related to this role of security in the internet. In next lecture we will discuss what are the role of web services. We also discussing advantages of the web services. Thank you.